Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be tackling email verification on Ilara's HMIS. Whether you're an existing user, a new user, or you just forgot your password, this video has got you covered. Verifying your email is quick and easy. It ensures you never miss any critical system updates or notifications, allows secure password recovery, and improves overall communication within the system. In this tutorial, we'll cover on how to verify your email address, how to add your email later if you cancel the prompt, and also resetting your password if you forgot about it. To verify your email, you'll have to log into your account first. After logging in, you'll receive a prompt asking you to enter your email. Simply input your email address and confirm it. Your email will be updated successfully. Next, you'll have to sign out of your account and log back in. This is to prompt the email to be sent to your inbox. Open your email and click on the verify email link and you'll be redirected back to the system. Your email will be now verified. Adding an email later. Had you skipped the email prompt earlier? Don't worry, you can now add and verify your email address later. For this, you'll head over to your profile under My Account, and you'll be able to find the option to add or change your email address. Enter your email address and save it. You'll see that the email has been updated successfully. In order to verify your email, you'll have to sign out of the account and log back in. This process prompts the email to load into your inbox. Once you've received the email, open and click on the verify email link and you'll be redirected back to the system. Select the branch and you'll see that your email has been verified successfully. Resetting a forgotten password. Forgot your password? Here's what to do. At the login screen, click on the forgot password link. You'll be asked to input your verified email address, and you'll later on receive a reset link in your inbox. Open your inbox and follow the link to create a new password. Confirm your password and you're back in. Verifying your email ensures you never miss system updates or notifications. It enhances security and makes passwords recovery a breeze. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and stay connected with Ilara's HMIS.